Yeah. Alright, here's something you don't get to see every day. Inside of a garbage truck. That's called a skid plate. And when that sweeps around, it takes and moves the trash out and toward the skid plate. And we're gonna cut the skid plate up and replace it with new metal. Be a cool process. Hope they don't close the door on me. This was one smelly job, and I want you to stay tuned to the end. You're gonna see what happened. We had a bunch of tools start to malfunction, and one of my employees almost burned his hand off. After you get done watching the video, check out some of the links in the description. I have some pretty cool tools down there. Anytime you purchase one of those tools, a portion of it does go help support the channel, and I appreciate that. You know, trying to get this wear plate out without cutting a hole through the whole floor was pretty daggone tricky. Hold on, grab that. Hey Bobby. Yeah. Why are we on fire out here? Are we? Yeah. Something must have come out here. It's those rags. Oh, they're my kids away. The first thing I did was get a pry bar and I stuck it between the wear plate and the floor, get some separation there, so we could dial in the plasma cutter. Once we got it dialed in, we were off to the races. Man, once those sparks started hitting that trash, oh my God, the smell is ungodly. Just go like that far and cut it off so don't feel. Yeah.
When you walk by, can you just peek under the truck to make sure there's no flames? I don't think so.
We haven't broke through yet, but we're double checking.
Look, that flame that's coming out here, that won't even fucking weld it there. See it? That's why the bitch got caught.
You say it's coming out of the way?
The flame is coming out right there, which means it ain't even welded. No wonder.
Well, there's heat. Yeah.
But no wonder it keeps peeling it up. Alright, let's roll.
Ready? That's peeled up there. Wait a minute.
That's what I'm saying.
I could cut right there, over here and start. Fuck that. Because that will butt it up against it or something.
That's what I'm saying. Just
see, cut
get a little cut right here.
Right.
That's what I was thinking. Looking at that, like, damn, no wonder why the bitch peeled up. Because it's
yeah, I can't see what's going on. Cut it.
Boom. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Well, hold on. See where it's peeling from. How far it comes up?
alright.
Alright. Start right there?
Yeah.
Motherfucker went right through that glove. How far close do I want to get to that piece?
Well, when I measured it, I measured it. I figured we just
it can go over top.
It's gonna go here to here, like that, and then I figured we can cut it out. I measured all the way to here.
Alright.
You know what I mean?
Right.
So I mean, if that's squared like this,
So
I think our piece of metal can go right in this front of that. So we don't want to cut that out.
Right. That's what I'll do. Just keep coming.
You may have to angle grind it a little bit more, because I did what you did, 68 inches.
Right.
So yeah, just keep coming straight. I think now that I got it at, you can go more of a straight on angle that way.
As I got it upward, bevel.
Thinking once you get this plate out of the way, you can probably hold that bitch that way.
Right. Turn it up.
and you know, get the bulk of it out.
Right.
And we'll just trim it up. I think we can come back and cut that little area there and see how it trims out there. And then we need to get this right here to look like this. And then if we can get this
Yeah, I can do that.
maybe a little close, trim it, we lift. I mean, it's less be less bullshit on us.
Yeah. Wait one time. Then we cut that piece out, then I'll see. But then we'll get the big grinder, right? Grind it up.
That's good. There, and there. Yeah, I'm gonna cut that.
That's what I would do then. I'd lay that picture on top of it again.
Right.
I guess like right here, if you have to, just, you know, when you cut it, ours is gonna be straight anyway.
Right.
You get lined as best we can.
You don't have to cut the edges. All you gotta do is cut that.
Yeah, to lay it in and cut it, you know.
Cool. I just want to try and flatten that out, so.
Yeah. He went to get the metal now, so when you come back, we'll do it. Alright guys, here's where you measure once, cut twice. Or is it cut twice, measure once? Yeah, I don't know. Either way, we got it right the first time. You know, pretty much at this point, whatever could go wrong, went wrong. That flame went through that glove and smoked his finger. It was funny as shit, but I know it hurt. Well, something happened to the plasma cutter. It wouldn't cut no more, so we went and got some torches. Yeah, and you guessed it, ran out of oxygen. Not batting 1,000 here, are we?
No, we're not.
So we went and got an angle grinder, started cutting it with that. Took a little more time than normal, but we got it done. We're using a snap-on MIG welder. Took a few tries to get it dialed in correctly because that 1/4" steel is pretty thick. But once he got it dialed in, there wasn't no stopping him. He was ready to get done and get out of that smelly ass truck. Alright guys, this is the finished product. So basically what we did was cut that floor out, fabricate a new piece of metal, and welded it in. This job wouldn't be so bad if I didn't have to work around all that trash and all that smell. Nasty. Alright guys, appreciate you watching. Remember, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any videos. Catch you next time.